Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the wiper motor on this 2003 Nissan Frontier. The tools you'll need is a 10mm and a 12mm socket and ratchet with an extension, a 14mm wrench, adjustable pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flat blade screwdriver. So your wiper motor is right here on the firewall, and you want to start off just by disconnecting the harness on it, and then you want to go over here to your antenna and using adjustable pliers just twist the base of it, and then you can just spin it out. And then you want to just pry up that cap. Lift up and set aside your weather strip. Now you just want to lift up the cap on the end of your wiper arm and remove that 12mm nut. Once you've done that, you can put down the hood of your truck, and you just want to push that wiper arm in and out, and that'll help loosen that up, and you can pull it up and off. Now, using a flat blade screwdriver, just pry up this panel here. And remove this panel, and it's held in by 3 Phillips screws. Now on the back of the wiper motor there's a 14mm nut back there, and you're going to want to stick something underneath the transmission here. We use a socket, and that way when you use the 14mm wrench to remove that nut, that transmission linkage there won't move. Now you want to remove these 4 10mm bolts. And your old wiper motor pulls right off. Now to install your new wiper motor, you just put it into place and replace those 4 10mm bolts. And you want to reconnect that harness. And now before you reconnect it to that transmission linkage, you want to start your vehicle and you want to turn your windshield wipers on then off. That way you know this motor is in the off position. This will make sure that your wipers go on in the right position. And then you want to put that transmission arm perfectly in line back onto that bolt. And then replace that 14mm nut. Now you just want to test and make sure that wiper arm is in the right spot. That means you connected the transmission well and everything's good. And now you want to replace that panel and the 3 Phillips screws that hold it. Now you want to put this panel back. You can see the clips, they line up in these holes. You just want to push that down into place. Line up those tabs and put your weather strip back on. And you want to make sure that you tuck it underneath the panel on this side here. Now you can put your hood down and twist your antenna back into place. Slide that cap back down and just push it in. You can put your wiper arm back down into place and replace that 12mm nut. And you want to make sure that this wiper arm is in line with the other one, so you know that when you go to turn on your windshield wipers, the wiper lands and stops where you want it to.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.oneauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and